Ever wondered how your Arduino or ESP32 can dim an LED or control motor speed even though it only speaks on or off? Let's break down the secret sauce: PWM, pulse width modulation. PWM is like digital sorcery. Instead of sending full on or off, it blinks the signal really fast, so fast your eye or motor just sees smooth power. The secret? That duty cycle. A 25% duty cycle, it's on a quarter of the time. Dim light, 50%, half bright, 100% blinding LED mode. Changing that cycle controls the average power we send. On an Arduino Uno, PWM happens on these magic pins, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, yep, look for the little squiggle tilde. That's your PWM squad. Each pin is hooked up to internal timers that keep things ticking smoothly. So when you do analog right, 9, 127, boom, your LED glows at 50%. The ESP32, it's built different. There's no fixed PWM pins. You can do PWM on almost any GPIO pin. Yup, it's that cracked. You get 16 channels to mix, match, and tweak like a DJ. Just don't use GPIO's 6 to 11. They're busy running flash memory. And GPIO's 34 to 39, they're camera shy, input only. Here's how you do PWM on ESP32 the clean way. LED attach pin, 13.0, GPIO 13 to PWM channel 0, LED C setup, 0, 5008, 5 kHz, 8-bit resolution, LED write, 0, 127, half bright power, simple, powerful, and totally in your control. So what's PWM actually used for? Smooth LED fading, fan speed control, buzzer tones, servo movement, basically. PWM equals real-world control. Arduino's PWM is easy for beginners. Plug, write, done. ESP32, next-level control with more options, channels, and flexibility. Both got the vibe. You choose the flavor.